these to my friends in Milan. 2K and I miss the button on my plans. Friends like alone, I'm not thinking that it's dead. Money hiking, we have blessings, it tastes like who? I saw all the things like who? Standing all the way.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia. Welcome back to our channel. Listen, I picked up this gorgeous unit from Amazon. This comes from the brand Nadula and this unit was under $100. This is Nadula's pre-everything bye-bye knots pre-cut lace bob cut style unit. You guys can see how this looks. My bob is, I believe, 12 inches long. You guys can see this is pre-everything. So the lace is cut off for you. The hairline is tweezed, those knots are bleached. This is a glueless unit, so you do not have to adhere it down. It has that pre-made slip grip on the inside along with a few combs, and this is how the unit looks directly out of the box. So you can see it is good and ready to wear. You guys can notice that lace is a little bit light on me. I'm going to show you guys how to fix it, but for those of you guys who do not know how to cut off your lace, this unit already has the lace removed for you. And the one thing that I do love about this unit is that this is their 7 by 5 inches of parting space. So it's 7 inches temple to temple and 5 inches back. So you're going to get a ton of parting space. Now the texture of my unit is this gorgeous Yaki texture, which feels like a silk press. Y'all, this hair is so soft. But what I'm going to do right now, even though it is ready to wear, I am just going to put my touch on it just to make it look the way that I want it to look. So what I'm doing is just applying a little bit of gel along the edges so I can get it to lay properly. And then I like to put an elastic strap on that to kind of help it when it sets. And then I'm going to add a bit of my wax stick on top of the unit. Again, you do not have to do any of these steps. I'm just doing it just to put my own touch to it. But now I'm just taking my hot comb and flattening the top of the unit. You guys can see what I'm doing here.
Tell me, where does this roller coaster reach a sea and stop the coasting? Used to be far with no destination. Honestly, now I'm damn sick of it.
And now I'm going to take my Kimbo heat protectant spray and spray a bit of it throughout my unit because I'm going to be taking my flat iron and going through the hair just to remove any box humps that might be in my unit.
Never coming. Yeah, lately I'm silent, I'm seeing a lot of you. Can't figure why I'm not missing a lot of you. Ran with your dank in the air and a lot of more. I can't see what I saw in you that I did before. Oh, stressing out, how will I tell you?
So now that I have the unit styled, we're just going to take a closer look at that lace. You guys can see that it's pre-cut and it does have those swerves, so that's going to melt right down to your complexion. This unit also has an elastic strap and the slip grip built inside the wig, so it's going to have an excellent fit. Y'all, I am loving the fit, okay? But like I mentioned before, this lace is a bit too light for my complexion, so I'm just going to take my Eben lace tinted spray and apply a thin layer across the lace. I'm also going to blend it in with my makeup brush and we can see how it looks. Looking good. It matches right into my complexion perfectly and you guys can see just how that application looks. Now I'm just going to take some concealer and clean up that parting space, and y'all, this is what we're working with. This unit is under $100 and look how easy it was. I only had to do a few modifications, nothing major. And again, this unit does come with their 7 by 5 inches of parting space, so you're going to get a decent amount of parting space. But y'all, look at this. Look how cute it is. Look at the movement, the body. This unit is 150% density and that Yaki texture feels just like a fresh silk press. Later on in the video, I'm going to show you guys a few quick styles you guys can definitely throw this into. That's one thing I love about it. It is ready to wear. You don't have to cut off any lace. You don't have to bleach any knots. You don't even have to adhere this unit down. It is good and ready to wear. Here are the angles of the hair. Again, my unit is 12 inches long. The density is 150%, and you guys can see just how natural it looks. But I'm going to throw this unit in a few styles. Let me know how you plan on wearing yours, or if you like any of the styles that I am creating. Leave a comment down below and let me know.
I'm silent, I'm seeing a lot of you. Can't figure why I'm not missing a lot of you. Ran with your dank in the air and a lot of more. I can't see what I saw in you that I did before. Stressing out, how will I tell you what I'm feeling now? Am I being selfish or just being honest now? Messy or reckless, yeah, I do not know, but this I am sure. It ain't gonna be the same no more. I gotta fall back. We getting off track. Ooh, I gotta fall back and face the pain alone. Yeah, I gotta fall back. We getting off track. Ooh, I gotta fall back.
So again, y'all, this unit comes from Nadula hair. Check them out on Amazon.com. I'll leave a link down below for you guys. I'm absolutely loving this pre-everything unit. It is extremely secure, ready to wear, and extremely affordable. Let me know what you guys think of this unit, and I will catch you guys later. Bye, guys.
Got used to being so complacent. Seen the weather change, but I'm staying frozen.